Little Early English Education.
Hi, super learners! Are you ready to draw a brand new number block today? Let's get started with Numberblock 80. Wow, that's a big number. First, let's draw a tall rectangle. This will be the body of Numberblock 80. Use your pencil to make it nice and straight. Now we're going to divide this big rectangle into 9 equal rows. Each row will show a group of 10.
Having fun, a happy, happy day. From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new.
Next, let's split each row into 10 squares. That means we'll draw 7 vertical lines across each row. How many blocks do you think make up this amazing number block?
Let's count them together. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s. That makes 80.
Great job! Now up near the top row, let's draw 2 big round eyes. Give them some eyelashes too. Numberblock 80 is super stylish. Under the eyes, draw a fun little smile. You can even add a curved line for the tongue. Don't forget the arms and legs. Draw rounded arms on the sides and stubby legs at the bottom. They help our block friend move and wave. Numberblock 80 is always ready to help with number problems. Awesome work! Now let's bring Numberblock 80 to life with some colors. See how Numberblock 80 is just an outline right now? It's time to color it in and make it shine. Let's start with the eyes. First, pick the color light maroon for the pupils, big round eyes, and eyelashes too. Under the eyes, and a fun little smile.
A world of colors waiting, let's draw and then we'll play. Grab your crayons, markers to a paper nice and white. Let's make a happy picture.
It's Numberblock 80. So big, so perfectly square, and so wonderfully pink.
Greetings, everyone. I'm 80, and I'm made of lots and lots of fantastic 10s.
Great! Now here's the fun part. Coloring the whole body. We'll use a lovely soft pink for all 80 blocks. Wow, you're so big, and you have a 80 in head.
That's right, one. I'm a perfect square of power, and this is my special octagon badge. It helps me focus.
How many blocks do you think make up this amazing number block?
Let's count them together. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. Numberblock 30. Can we make 80 too? 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 8 10s. That makes 80. That's a lot of 10s, and it makes a perfect square. And because I'm made of so many 10s, I can do some super organizing. My octagon operator power helps me keep everything perfectly square.
Wow! Numberblock 80 can show us its 8 groups of 10 and then click right back into its super square shape.
Numberblock 50. I think so. 30 and 50, that's 80. That's right. There are so many ways to make 80. You can have 8 10s, or 3 10s and 5 10s, or even 6 tens and 2 tens.
It's a number block party with 80. Everyone loves counting with this perfectly square number block.
I love being 80. I'm perfectly square, full of tens, and I've got my super organizing octagon power. And with all these tens, I can count to so many big numbers.
8 purple grapes are hanging on a vine so tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to catch them all. And 9 red yummy apples in a basket deep and wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're happy, feelings high. 10 tiny little stars are twinkling in the night sky's hue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All counting through.
Doesn't it look beautiful already? Let's finish the details now. Now color the tongue with dark pink or a nice raspberry color and box of number block 80. Color the arms, hands, legs, and boots with a rich dark maroon. Look at number block 80 now. So strong, so pink, and so fabulous. And guess what? That shiny pink badge in the center shows the number 80 loud and proud. Wow, you did an amazing job today. Number block 80 is truly magnificent, strong, stable, and ready for any number adventure. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep having fun. See you next time for more number magic. Bye-bye.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.